Welcome to the AI Shop app training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate banner ads in AI Shop app. Go to the left menu. Choose Create Banner Ads from the drop-down. Now you are in the Create Banner Ad section. Select your site. Select your banner ad position. Upload banner image according to the suggestion. Otherwise, your banner will look inappropriate on the site. Now insert your desired URL. Click on the Submit button. You can see your created banner ad in Manage Banner section. You can also update your ad details by clicking on the Edit button. You can also delete your ad by click on Delete button. Go to Site, where you can see your created ad. When you click on the ad, it will redirect you on the URL you insert in banner. Thanks for watching the video.